Hello, so I'm here to report some of my plants. Some of them are old, like White Princess, some are new. This is a rubber plant, Shivriana, it's what it's called. I have um, this Astrophytum mysterious, which I came to know that a cat um, pushed it from the boundary on the terrace on where I have kept my asterias. And I want to show how my plants are doing in extreme winters because minimum is like 3 degrees sometimes. Currently it's 10 degrees outside, and I wanted to check the soil and roots condition. It's one of the coldest days with lows of 8 and highs of 16 degrees, and I am using clear cups to pot my plants because I can see the soil. I am adding compost because I'm out of my homemade compost, and in winters it usually takes time to decompose. This is my newest plant, Shivriana ficus, and it looks gorgeous. I was eyeing this plant for many years, so I saw it in my nearby nursery. I love to go to nurseries, and as soon as I saw, I grabbed it. I'm removing the soil of these plants. This one is White Princess, which I think is struggling little bit in winters. This is my ring of fire. So I'm removing all the soil and I am adding perlite little bit with cocoa peat and compost. This is the main ingredient. I love White Princess. It doesn't become way too huge as much as I want and as much as I have seen on internet and Instagram, because the temperature and humidity changes a lot in North India. But I absolutely love the variegation on this plant. Like, look, the whites and greens look so pretty. Also, I keep some of my astrophytums on my terrace, and I came to know that when I was not there at my home, one cat pushed it over and it fell. So I just came back from cleaning my terrace, and now I'm repotting these very cute astrophytum asterias. The root on this Shivriana looks so good. Like, you can grow plants in 100% cocoa peat with liquid fertilizer, because most of the plants, like the rare plants, this is rare at my place, okay? It's not readily available. So these plants usually come in 100% cocoa peat, including succulents and cactuses. So yeah, you can definitely grow these plants in cocoa peat. Just don't forget to add liquid fertilizer, which I do mostly. And I love this ring of fire. It has little bit of variation, but it was a surprise. I I didn't know how the plant will look when I bought it online. But I love this plant. I love Pluto also. Like, I love these notches. This is my blue oil fern plant, and as you can see, it's getting black. It's struggling because the humidity is way too low. Also, the soil mix is not like good because it had some wheat straw, and yeah, there's a lot of root rot. So I'm changing the pot, I'm changing the soil completely. The earlier clear pot became so dirty, I reused it. I asked someone for the cup, but it was not clear, so I couldn't see how the roots are doing. I hope it will thrive again soon. I thought that my aroids won't survive this winter. It's so cold, but this is my Anthurium clarinovium, and one of the leaves became yellow, so I wanted to chop it. But it's a very beautiful plant. I'm not into like these kind of anthuriums, but I like this one, so I bought it. I'm not a collector of anthuriums, but this one makes me so happy and it looks absolutely gorgeous.